Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to day 6. Oh my god, day 6 of our 7-day journaling challenge, y'all. We doing good. We doing real good. Okay. I hope you had a good day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And today we are doing day 6. So our goal for today is to get in touch with our higher selves. That's right. Today we're getting in touch with our spirit being, with our spirit selves, okay? Today we are going to tap into the fact that we are spiritual beings, first and foremost. Write a letter to yourself from God or the universe, okay? Or Mother Earth, or whatever it is that you want. I want you to be creative with this. And I want you to channel your higher self. It'll sound something like this. Dear Raven, oh how I desperately wish that you knew how beautiful you were. Oh how I wish that you could see yourself the way that I see you. Raven, I love you. And all I want is the best for you. Raven, you're so beautiful and you're so special and you're so unique that I want you to understand that everything I do is for your greater good. In the end, all I want is for you to live a happy, fulfilling life that you absolutely love. Write a letter to yourself from the perspective of God, from the perspective of the universe. And for all my soul sisters out there, soul brothers or whatever, if you want, channel the words through your pen and see what you come up with, okay? Please have fun with this. Please enjoy this. I wish you spiritual aha moments. I wish you a spiritual awakening. Oh, I'm sending you all of the good juju through my camera, through your phone. I'm wishing you magic. I'm wishing you manifestation energy. I'm wishing you the good life. We rock day 6. After you do this journaling challenge, head to the comment section down below and let us know, like, what was it like for you? Are you having fun on this 7-day journaling challenge? How have you seen yourself transform so far? What's up? What's good? Give this video a like too if you're really enjoying this journaling challenge, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. I love you so much and I'll see you tomorrow in day 7, the last day of our journaling challenge. I'll see you next time. Bye.